Dear students, let us do one more problem. I shall read the problem. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Draw two tangents to the circle inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to each other. Here they have given the radius R as 4 centimeters. Let us take a rough figure. Let this be a circle and let P be the external point from where we are having two angles PA and PB which are inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. As we know, if OA is the radius and AP is the tangent, angle A will be the right angle. Similarly, here if OB is the radius and BP is the tangent, angle B will be a right angle. So angle A and angle B are supplementary. Hence angle O and angle P should be supplementary. To know the angle O, that is angle at the center, we shall add angle O plus angle P is equal to 180, because these two are supplementary to each other. They have given angle P as 60. We have to calculate angle A. We have to calculate angle O. Angle O will be equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. So now we know the angle at the center. So let us take the radius as given, that is 4 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. We shall mark the center as O. Now draw a circle with center O and radius. Four centimeters. Now first of all, here we shall take a radius. Let us take OB as one of the radius, and here at the point O we have to get an angle of 120. To get this angle, we can take the help of compass. Here it is 4 centimeters. If I cut 2 times, I shall get 120 at the center. Name it as A. Now I have got the angle at the center as 120. Now at the point B we shall draw a tangent, that is the tangent and the radius, the angle between them will be 90 degrees. So we shall make an angle at B 90 degrees. Draw a line, let it be BX. one more tangent at the point A. To draw this, I have to get an angle of 90 degrees at the point A. Now I have got the angle 90 degrees at the point A, hence I have got the one more tangent which intersects the previous tangent at the point P. Let us name it as P. So this is the external point P from where we have drawn two tangents, and the two tangents are inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. Dear students, many more problems you can do from your textual exercise.